Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 061 underscore Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Statement. You are driving home from school steadily at 95 km per hour for 130 kilometer. It then begins to rain and you slow to 65 kilometer per hour. You arrive home after driving 3 hours and 20 minutes. How far is your hometown from school? What was your average speed? Okay. We will use subscripts 1 and 2. Okay. For V1, V2, T1, T2, etc. Okay. Almost quite simple problem. No complication in this problem. Okay. Solution. We are provided with the initial data V1 bar for average equal to 95 kilometer per hour, which will be converted into meter per second. Alternatively becomes equal to 95,000 meter divided by 3,600 seconds. This alternatively becomes equal to 26.39 meter per second. Okay. Similarly, V2 bar is equal to 65 kilometer per hour, and this alternatively becomes equal to 65,000 meter divided by 3,600 seconds. This alternatively becomes equal to 18.05 meter per second. Okay. These two things were given. We have just converted them in meter per second instead of kilometer per hour. Okay. Similarly, delta x1 is given, which is 130 kilometer, while delta x2 is to be determined, is to be known. Okay. Moreover, delta t total is given, which is 3 hours plus 20 minutes. Okay. One figure is in hour and the other is in minute. We will convert both in minutes or both in hours. Okay. This alternatively becomes equal to 180 minutes plus 20 minutes. This alternatively becomes equal to 200 minutes. This alternatively becomes equal to 200 divided by 60 hour. This alternatively becomes equal to 3.33 hour. Okay. Delta T total was given, but it was given in terms of hour and minute, and we have just converted that figure in a simple one, 3.33 hour. Okay. Now delta T1 is to be determined. Okay. While delta T2 will be delta T total minus delta T1. We know that delta T total is 3.33 R. So delta T2 will be equal to 3.33 R minus delta T1. Okay. Now V1 average is equal to delta X1 over delta T1. This implies that 26.39 meter per second is equal to 130 kilometer divided by delta T1. What we have done? We have simply put values in place of V1 average and delta X1. While we have no value of delta T1 is to be determined. So from this expression, when we take delta T1 on one side, then this implies that delta T1 will become equal to 130 kilometer divided by 26.39 meter per second. In the next step, we have converted 130 kilometer into meter divided by 26.39. Dear students, meter per second in the denominator will be reversed. Okay, it will become second over meter, so that meter will be cancelled with meter and our answer will become in seconds. Okay, so after simplification, delta T1 becomes equal to 4926.11 second. This alternatively becomes equal to 4926.11 divided by 3600 R. Okay, previously it was second, we have divided it by 3600 so that it has been converted into R. After simplification, it will become equal to 1.37 R. And so delta T1 has been given in not only in seconds but also in R. Now the third shape is only minute. So in the next step, we have also converted it into minutes by multiplying 1.37 R by 60 so that it will become in minutes. Okay. So delta T1 alternatively becomes equal to 82.2 minute. Okay. Delta T1 is equal to 4926.11 second, or it has become equal to 1.37 R, or it has become equal to 82.2 minute. Okay. Now delta T2 is equal to delta T total minus delta T1 is equal to 3.33 R minus 1.37 R, which alternatively becomes equal to 1.96 R. In the next step, we are converting hour into minute, so that it will become equal to 1.96 into 60 minute. This will alternatively become equal to 117.6 minute. Okay. So delta T2 has become equal to 1.96 R or 117.6 minute. Now V2 average, V2 bar is equal to delta X2 over delta T2. Okay. This implies that 18.05 meter per second is equal to delta X2 divided by 1.96 R. What we have done, we have simply put values of V2 and delta T2 while delta X2 is to be determined. Okay. From this, if we keep delta X2 on one side, then this implies that delta X2 is equal to 18.05 meter per second into 1.96 R. Okay. Dear students, now if we convert R into seconds, then S will be cancelled with S and our answer will become in meter. Okay. So this alternatively becomes equal to 18.05 meter per second into 1.96 into 3600 seconds. Now second will be cancelled with second. So delta X2 will become equal to 127360.8 meter. Okay. 127,360.8 meter. In the next step, we have converted it into kilometer. then it will be shifted to 3 decimal places back. Okay, it will become equal to 127.36 kilometer. Okay, now delta x total is equal to delta x1 plus delta x2. Simply this alternatively becomes equal to 130 kilometer plus 127.36 kilometer. Hence delta x total alternatively becomes equal to 257.36 kilometer. Now we come towards part B. Now every speed equal to V bar is equal to delta x total divided by delta t total. This alternatively becomes equal to 257.36 kilometer divided by 3.33 r. Okay, in the next step we are converting r into second. So this every speed alternatively becomes equal to 257,360 meter divided by 3.33 into 3600 second. Okay, what we have done, we have not only converted kilometer into meter but also we have converted hour into second, so that every speed will become in terms of meter per second. Okay, this alternatively becomes equal to 257,360 meter divided by 11,988 second. This alternatively becomes equal to 21.47 meter per second. And this alternatively becomes equal to 77.28 kilometer per hour. Okay, actually we have previously put 257.36 kilometer divided by 3.33 r. When we simplify this expression, it will become equal to 77.28 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we have found average speed not only in terms of meter per second but also in terms of kilometer per hour. Okay, and this is the end of our module. Okay.